UK visitor visa. What kind of supportive document you need for get or apply the UK visitor visa? Do the visitor need to provide proof of fund if they are being fully sponsored by someone already in the UK? So if a visitor to the UK is being fully sponsored by someone already in the UK, already fully sponsored by someone already in the UK, they generally do not need to provide their own proof of funds, but the sponsor must demonstrate they have sufficient balance means to cover the visitor trip. Here, what is the typical required? Documents from the sponsor. What document you need from sponsor if you are getting sponsor from someone from UK who is staying in UK, and what kind of document you need from sponsor? Number 1, letter of invitation. A formal letter explaining the purpose of the visit, the relationship with the visitor, and confirmation of sponsorship, covering accommodation, traveling, and other expense. You need letter from your sponsor where he have to prove what is his relation with you, and he have to prove he will mean when you will enter in UK, he is the responsible of your all like a shopping, like everything, your all travel, accommodation, everything expense, all expenses. Number 2, proof of financial means recent bank statement, usually 3 to 6 months. Proof of bank statement, recently bank statement, fresh bank statement, 3 to 6 months. Pay slip if employed or proof of self-employed income. Pay slip, his pay slip, your sponsor pay slip, who is going to sponsor, his pay slip if he is working, or if he have his own business, he have to prove he can show his business documents. Tax documents, tax documents. He because there is tax policy, so he is your sponsor have to show the tax policy, tax documents like P60S are equivalent, like 6 P60S are equivalent. Number 3, proof of accommodation, evidence of where the visitor will stay. He have to give evidence if his visitor is coming and where he will stay, where he will accommodate him. A tenancy agreement, property ownership documents, or letter from landlord permitting the stay. For this proof, he have to show the tenancy contract, or if he have his own property, he have to show his own property documents, or landlord permission documents he can allow to treat his visitor, or he can allow to his visitor they can stay here. Number 4, sponsor immigration status, copy of the sponsor passport. Sponsor immigration status mean sponsor resident status of is in UK. Passport visa or residence permit, providing they are legally in the UK. He have to provide documents, and he have to provide proof he is staying in UK legally. Documents from the visitor. Up now, document from the visitor. Now who is going to travel in UK? What kind of document or what supportive document he need to show? Even if the visitor is fully sponsored by, might still need to provide. Even that who is going to visit in UK, he is fully sponsored by by his friend or his relative who is staying in UK. He have to show this paper. Evidence of relationship, proof of the relationship with sponsor, correspondence or family documents. First, you have to show evidence which guy is coming to UK or which guy he is going to sponsor, what is his blood relation, or family documents or correspondence and photo, etc. Intent to return, evidence of ties to their home country such as employment, family or property to show the intent to leave the UK after their visit. He have to show the documents, whatever he have business, he have job or he have property, and after visit he will leave the UK. He have to show this kind of proof documents. Additional notes: UK visa and immigration may still request the visitor own financial details. Visitor need to provide his own financial details also. Assess their overall situation even if sponsor is declared sponsorship. Even your who is going to sponsor to you, he already declare his financial statement, everything, but he have to show also. Each case is assessed individually, so providing comprehensive and clear document from the parties in, in- increases the chance of visa approval. Both parties, your sponsor and who traveler, also have to provide complete and clear, neat and clean and clear documents for increase the chance of get the visa of UK. I hope you understand everything, and this video is very useful for you. Thank you very much.